Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do some steak with shrimp kebabs on the Pro Series, Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. I've got it running. I've got it heated up to 250 degrees. And while that's stabilizing, let's go inside and I'll show you how I get these kebabs put together. Oh, before I do that, I'm also going to do some bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts on kebabs. And when I get back, we're going to throw those on first. But anyway, let's go in and we'll put it all together for you. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is wash these 6 Brussels sprouts with that water that's on these from the wash. I'm going to throw them in this bowl. I'm going to microwave these for 2 minutes just to get them a little bit tender. We don't want them cooked all the way. 2 minutes we go. And there you go. We're going to let these sit for a minute while we get everything else ready. So we're going to set them right here for now. And here I have our shrimp. We've got 8 shrimp that we're going to add. There's our bacon that we're going to wrap our Brussels sprouts in, and our 2 ribeye steaks that we're going to put on a kebab. So to start out, let me just grab one of these steaks. And I'm going to cut these in thirds, just like that. Always helps to have a nice sharp knife. Okay, and then I'm going to cut these up into about 1.5 to 2 inch pieces so that they fit on the kebab and cook nice and evenly. There you go. I'm going to speed this up for you so you don't have to get bored watching me cut it. Now we're going to skewer it. Put 1 piece of steak, 1 shrimp, and we'll repeat this. Steak, shrimp, steak, shrimp, until we get the skewer filled up with steak and shrimp. There's the 4th shrimp and the last piece of steak, and there you go. Steak and shrimp kebab. And there's both of them put together. And with the other steak, I'm just going to cut it up, and we'll put that on a kebab. But for right now, I'm going to spray them with a little bit of olive oil. You know the drill, right? It's going to be a little bit of binder, and I'm going to use my garlic pepper, and we will sprinkle the garlic pepper on both sides. Flip it, spray it, and pepper it. And then we're going to put some garlic pepper in our Brussels sprouts. This garlic pepper is just so good, and you can use it on everything. A little bit more, and now I'm going to take a Brussels sprouts, 1 sprout, and then wrap it in bacon. And then after I get it wrapped all the way around, obviously we don't need a toothpick because we're going to stick it on the skewer, just like that, and then stick it through. I'm going to do all 6 of them and get them all on here because we're doing these, I'm going to put these on first. They're going to take probably about 30 minutes of cook time before I get the steaks on, because the steaks are only going to take 8 to 10 minutes. And there we go. We've got all 6 of the Brussels sprouts on a skewer. Okay, we got these all wrapped up on the kebabs. We got our 1100. It is running 245, 250 right now. And right here are our kebabs. Here is the Brussels sprouts wrapped in bacon. And I'm going to get these on first because I think they might take about 10, 15 minutes longer to get that bacon cooked. And then what I did was shrimp and steak on one. The other 2 with the other steak, we're just going to do the steak. So let's get this on. Okay, here we go. We're just going to set our Brussels sprouts wrapped in bacon right there. And we will chuck them in about 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Bacon's looking pretty good. Oh yeah. Get that cooked up. It's probably going to take another 15 or so we'll be back. It's been about 10. It's getting dark. I got a light. Look at that. Those are looking good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move these over here. Stand them up. turn the heat up to 350 and let it go for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to get our steaks on. Just at 355, went to 360, so it's getting up there. We're going to go ahead and get our steaks on here. Get our light on. Camera straight again, right? Okay. Woo! Those are looking mighty good. Let's see if we get a better light on there. See that? Oh yeah. All right. Get our steaks on with our shrimp. We're only going to go maybe 4 minutes aside, so we'll be right back. 4 minutes. Closest to the fire pot's getting cooked. Alright. Brussels sprouts going over here. Alright. Give it another 4. It's been 5 more minutes. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to stick a temp gauge in there. 140. I think we're done. Let's get these off onto our pan. See better. Alright, look at that. Ribeye steak and shrimp. Ribeye steak only. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. That is the Brussels sprouts wrapped in bacon. Oh yeah, those look good. With the light. Okay, so we got the ribeye steak and shrimp kebabs done. We got the bacon and Brussels sprouts done. Pit Boss did its job. Here they are right here. Look at that. Whoops, wrong way. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to get these inside. Okay, here you go. I've got them off the skewer. There's my bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts, my steak, my shrimp. Let me cut into one of these Brussels sprouts for you and show you what that looks like. We've made these before. They're so delicious. Check this out. Perfect. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, have them this way. I think it'll change your mind. Alright, let's cut into a piece of meat and see how we got that cooked. Should be about a medium. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, there you go. Okay, well hey, scary movie time, right? Alright, playing in the dark. Okay, so hey, these came out as a tremendous success. I did not do a taste test for you. We were a little hungry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. This is my like and subscribe button, and we'll see you out on the next video.